Hey guys, it's Elkskins. This is the hood that came on the DGT 6000. As you can see, it's pretty bent up in the front. The grill is broke. We're gonna fix that today. I'm gonna prep that piece and put it in there. Using this grill off of this hood. And then this junker hood is gonna have its grill put on here. And then this hood will be listed for sale. So let me get the green piece prepped and then I'll turn the camera back on. So see you in a bit. Okay guys, I drilled out the spot welds in that green piece, so let's get started on this. We're just taking this off. And I will have to fix this part because it's got well, this part is flapping. Uh-oh, we just broke something. Where did that come from? Oh, I see where it did it. Snapped off down here, probably was broken ahead of time. And I'm not worried about the screws dropping because I can get them back. Okay. See, this part wasn't that bad, but it's dented and messed up. It was loose. It wasn't sitting right. So, now we're gonna have to drill this out. And it might be difficult. You don't want to go fast. I'm in the low speed. And just drill out every tack weld, and then I'll bring you back after it's done. And we'll proceed to the next step. Now, after you get the holes drilled out, you want to go with a little bit larger drill bit. I don't know what size I'm going off of because I don't have my drill gauge, and this bit has the size rounded off. And you just want to enlarge the holes bigger. Okay, now that the holes are a little bit bigger, you want to get in here with a screwdriver and just slowly break them free, like so. And then when you get one side done, the other side tends to fall apart like that. You can see I could have straightened it, but no. So, many of you guys are going to be like, okay, how are you going to reattach that? There's either welding or self-tappers. And if you want, if yours is broke through here on the edges, you can run braces and make up braces. They're I don't have an example to really show, but they do break. And I'm only going to hold this in with 4. Okay, that one's in. So now let's do the next one. Okay, that's in. Now eventually this piece will get painted, but for right now it's fine. And it's up to you. You can go with regular bolts with lock washers, which would be alright. Pretty sure this is going to work. I've never actually done it, but we'll figure it out. Now, this might make an uproar in the comments, this and that, but I've been getting a lot of comments saying, you need to clean up your yard, you need to clean up your yard. Hey, I'm getting people that come 4 to 5 hours away to buy parts. And yes, there is a lot of trash around and whatnot that could go to the garbage. I just haven't gotten to that yet because I'm always busy. But, yeah, just yesterday, a guy from Michigan came and bought the DGT mower deck for $150. So, you know, you got to know what you're doing, and you got to basically you have to have what people need. Like, I've had people come 2 hours away for a transmission. Just a couple weeks ago, 2 hours away for a 42-inch Craftsman LT1000 deck. You know, heck, I've had people come from Texas and other places of the country just to buy parts. Now that's pretty good. Mind you, that was vintage, old, antique stuff, but, you know, you gotta know what you're doing when you're in this type of business, and you will have a lot of junk laying around. So, let's move on to this hood here. All I'm doing to it is take the grill off to stick in here on here, and I'm going to do it all by hand. Flash is somewhere around here. Last I knew he was in the back of the truck. That bent up piece is going to go into the scrap. Now this hood here will be posted for sale, and once the green grill gets put on it, I'll put it up for $75 and end up getting $50, which is fun. I'm happy. Farming vehicle just going past. The reason why I'm doing this by hand is so I don't break anything. And if you want extra support, you can also take self-tappers and go from the holes here and down. These holes are for the metal grills. Okay, make sure I got everything out. Come on. Slide off. There we go. Everything looks good, nothing broke. So let's move back over to this one and start reassembling. You got to line up the slots. Now the the DGT 6000 is going to end up in the shed, hopefully tonight, and we'll start tearing it apart tomorrow. Okay, people, you can get away with the bottoms, but you can't get away with the tops. So, I may end up doing what I was going to think about doing. Just use the, let's take the bottoms out and see how it works. you know, trial and error. I can always do the ones in the front. They're not that thick, but they'll work and help support it. Besides that, okay, I see what's got to happen. Alright, you can use it, you just have to modify the grill. So let me put these back in and we'll go from there. You know, you have to modify some stuff sometimes, you know, and I'm gonna do that. Trial and error like Terrell does. So let me go get what I need, and then I'll show you what I'm doing. After I shut off the camera. Alright guys, I found what I need. Now, some people are going to say, well, you just weakened it. You're a hack. You don't know what you're doing. Well, you know, let me explain something to you. Normally, you already screwed up your hood by hitting something. Or the wind caught it and it busted it off. So, modifying it with a deburring tool isn't going to hurt it. Okay, kick up the speed. Alright, that's good. Okay, let's see if that's enough. No, it's not. This battery's almost dead. Don't worry, I'm gonna be getting more of these batteries soon. They have on eBay knockoff batteries for 2 8-amp hour ones for next to nothing, so that's probably what I'll do. Okay, I need to go a little bit wider. Okay, that'll fit. Okay, so now we just duplicate that ugliness over here and we will be golden. So let me bring you back. and I sure hope I have enough battery. Okay guys, let's try this. Let's try not to break anything. You want to do this by hand, no power tools, because you're screwing into plastic. So, okay, I'm a little bit off, so gotta fix that. You know, it's trial and error when you're working with junk. So, you know, I could just wait and find a better hood and or just repaint that one over there, but I need the stickers. These stickers are no longer available. So same way with the fenders that I'm going to be using on my Hydro. The fenders that are on that DGT 6000 need welded. No problem. I can do it. There we go. You gotta finagle this to get it in correctly, but that's alright. It's already better. What irks me the most is somebody comes over and no matter if it's my antiquers or one of my newer machines or one I'm trying to sell, they like to sit on the damn hood, excuse my language. But that just ticks me off to no end. If you want to get on my bad side, that's one of the quickest ways. Oh. Do you guys notice something's missing? Because I just did. The 2 holes. Well, crap. No biggie. I just have to pull it back apart and drill them. Oops, did you hear that backfire? Ah. So, I'm not going to bore you by watching me take the thing back apart. I'll take it apart, drill those holes, and then I'll pick it back up when I reassemble. Okay guys, plans changed. Because of those holes not being there and I screwed up drilling these, I found out how easy it was to bend the old one back to straight, but it had to come off to make it easier to bend it straight anyway. You know, all this is trial and error, so you know, come on. So, like I said, I bent it back the best I can. There's still a couple bends in it, but it's a heck of a lot and it fits good. It's a heck of a lot better, I mean. Okay, let's get this okay, so line this back up. Okay, good, like that. You gotta watch using an impact on this stuff because the screws are kind of brittle and you will break them. Okay, so get this side started. And don't do that. Okay, so that's that. still it'll get better with use. Now, centers just like that, and like so. And then okay, that's all good, lined up. Okay, that's good, that's strong. Okay, I'll bring you back when I fix that down there. I gotta get a couple of things. Now you guys are probably thinking, well, how are you gonna fix that elk, kids? Well, just like anybody else would. Couple of washers, 1/4 inch drive or 1/4 inch bolt, and a lock nut. Now it's not going to be the best. You will have to bend on the plastic a little bit, but hey, whatever works. Let me take this slide out. And yes, you can use a shorter bolt. You can also use washers behind that to make it where it's not putting so much strain on the plastic, but it don't really matter. Alright, phone call. I'll do the other grill off camera. Thanks for watching, guys. The battery's almost dead anyway.